Hello guys, this is Akjoman. Today we're gonna do a recap of what we have done the last 4 streams. So, we have our main character, that's a female knight. The first level is a dungeon level at the moment that we've been blocking out. It's an obstacle course game, and it's just a block out at the moment. So we go like this. And here is some of the characters. This is how we will look at the end of the game, so you got a visual progression. And this is how it looks after 4 streams. We're just testing out some possible AI that can fly around, maybe a dragon, to intercept everything. There's supposed to be traps over these holes, so you can fall down in them. When you come here, it's actually floors that falls down, and then you have this thing that can throw you off the platform as well. This is really early, not even 20 hours into development. So we have these falling floors and falling platforms, as you can see. Now they're bugged a little bit. And here are supposed to be traps that can throw you down. And when you're done, you get here, and you will be rewarded with a armor piece. So this is how the game looks at the moment. The map is under, and the first stream we basically did this little part over here. This part we did. The stream after that, I think, let's see, we did actually the whole map. And yesterday we built out the whole level from the map. Actually, we blocked out everything in the map. And today we added these falling floors and this spinning trap. So that's where we are now. We're probably around 19 hours in now, if I'm not wrong. And you can follow us on Twitch and see the rest of the development of this medieval platformer game inspired by Crash Bandicoot. I hope you enjoy what you see, and remember to hit the follower button, subscribe on YouTube, and come and join us on Twitch next time we stream. Have a great day.